Are you looking for a fun and inspiring way to stay motivated on your English language learning journey? Look no further. Creating a vision board for learning English is a powerful tool that can help you to clearly visualize and focus on your goals. In this lesson, I'm going to guide you through the steps to create your own vision board and help you stay motivated and on track to achieving your English language goals. So grab some scissors, glue, and your favorite magazines, and let's get started. What is the significance of creating a vision board for achieving goals? Creating a vision board is a powerful tool for achieving your goals because it helps you clearly visualize and focus on what you want to achieve. By gathering images and words that represent your goals and organizing them into a collage, you can create a visual representation of your aspirations. This can serve as a constant reminder of what you want to achieve and can help to motivate and inspire you to take action towards achieving your goals. A vision board can also help you to stay focused and organized. By clearly seeing your goals, you can create a plan of action to achieve them and track your progress. This can help you to stay on track and avoid getting sidetracked or distracted from your goals. Additionally, creating a vision board can be a fun and creative process that allows you to tap into your imagination and explore your aspirations. It can also help you to connect with your inner self and identify what is truly important to you. Overall, creating a vision board is a powerful tool for achieving your goals and can help you to stay motivated and focused on your path to success. How to create a vision board for learning English. A vision board is a physical or digital collage of images, words, and affirmations that represent your goals and aspirations. Creating a vision board for learning English can help you stay motivated and focused on your language learning journey. Here are some steps to create a vision board for learning English. Choose a medium for your vision board. You can create a physical board using a poster or a foam board, or you can create a digital vision board by using a collage app or a photo editing software. Gather images and words that represent your goals for learning English. These can include pictures of famous English speakers, quotes about language learning, and images of places you want to visit where English is spoken. Organize your images and words into a collage on your vision board. Arrange them in a way that is visually appealing and that helps you to clearly see your goals. Add affirmations to your vision board. These can be positive statements about your language learning journey, such as, I am confident in my ability to learn English, or I am dedicated to improving my English skills every day. Display your vision board in a prominent place where you can see it regularly. This will help to remind you of your goals and keep you motivated to continue learning English. Remember to regularly review your vision board and update it with any new images and affirmations as needed. This will help you to stay motivated and focused on your language learning journey. Are you ready to now put this into practice? Well, I have a few quests for you to complete, which is something that you'll get if you're a member of my private community, Explearning Academy. So if you would like these quests, the discussion that goes along with it, and an opportunity to submit questions or ask me live, then you can sign up for my community using the link below. I hope to see you there. All right, so in conclusion, creating a vision board for English language learning is a fun and powerful tool that you can use to help stay motivated and focused on your language learning goals. By gathering images and words that represent your aspirations and organizing them into a collage, you create a visual representation of what you want to achieve. This can serve as a constant reminder of your goals and can help to inspire and motivate you to take action towards achieving them. So why not give it a try? Gather your materials and start creating your own vision board for learning English today. Thank you so much for joining me, Advanced English Learners. I will see you in the next one. And if you enjoyed this lesson, then please show it some love on the podcast, on our YouTube channel, and on our website. And feel free to share all of those resources with anyone who wants to improve their English communication skills, as well as be on the path to social fluency. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now. Is one video lesson a week not gonna cut it for you? Would you like daily touch points and a community of passionate professionals like yourself? Then perhaps you'd be interested in joining our community and me in a space where I spend most of my time. If you're ready to level up, join the Explearning Academy, our membership program and community. You'll get access to our global private community, language and communication lessons, live Q&As and conversations, weekly discussions, weekly quests and challenges, and our entire library of web courses, which we're constantly expanding and updating. We'll even have workshops and private feedback sessions for members only. We'll be delivering exclusive content that you'll only have access to as a member. And I'll invite guest speakers from across industries to chat about their secret sauce strategies and give you an opportunity to ask them questions. You'll be able to check in with me day to day as I share daily touch points with you on our membership site. I am so excited for you to upgrade your skills and level up your learning as you join me and the community for this part of the journey. If you're interested in joining Explearning Academy, then be sure to check out the link in the description. I look forward to seeing you in my community.